How to configure ACLs for Cloud APs through the Cloudnet Web Platform. Configuration procedure. Enter the URL cloudnet, h3c.com in the address bar of the web browser. Enter the login username and password for the Cloudnet Web Management Platform. Upon logging into the Cloudnet Web Management Platform, you will enter the dashboard page of Cloudnet. Select a branch and a site from the top of the work pane. From the left navigation pane, select Settings, Cloud APs, WLAN Settings. On the Wi-Fi settings page, click Add to create a new Wi-Fi. If the required Wi-Fi already exists, skip this step. Complete the Wi-Fi settings as needed. Click the access control icon in the Actions column of the specified Wi-Fi to enter the access control configuration page. Follow these restrictions and guidelines when you configure access control. 1. You can configure filtering rules separately for the packets sent and received by the AP. Filtering rules support the close, deny, and permit actions. Close is the default action, indicating that no packets are filtered. If filtering is required for packets in a certain direction, specify the action as permit or deny, and add the target control network to match. If the permit action is specified, only packets matching the target network are allowed to pass through, and other packets are not allowed. If the deny action is specified, packets matching the target network will be discarded, and other packets are allowed to pass through. If you want to stop filtering packets in a certain direction, specify the action as close. 2. You can specify multiple control networks in the same direction. The target network with higher priority, smaller priority value is matched first. Next, let's see how to configure filtering rules for packets sent and received separately. First, add a control network with the deny action for sent packets. Set the match priority for this network to 10, and specify the source IP address as 10.1.1.1/24. Then, add another control network with the deny action for sent packets. Set the match priority for this network to 20, and specify the destination IP address as 20.1.1.1/24. Similarly, add two control networks with the permit action for received packets. Set the match priority for the first network to 10, indicating that the AP allows receiving packets from network 30.1.1.1/24. Set the match priority for the second network to 20, indicating that the AP allows receiving packets sent to network 40.1.1.1/24. Thanks for watching. For further details, explore our website.